Okay, quick one.
What's going on?
You see, this entitlement
What's happening?
that our people
Right now.
have resources to
It's 5:45
not
p.m. and it's
helping anyone. I have to tell
black
you
dark
frankly,
outside.
you know,
What?
in my place, from where I come from, Igbo land, we do what we call Onyemaranwani. You help your brother and your sisters, you know, but so many people have abused it. Even right now, as I'm telling you, one guy came from Germany and they buy him, they put something in his food and the man died. You understand? This, just look up as I'm talking, look up and look
News from Toronto this morning.
This is what is happening as I'm speaking to you, with you right now.
What's going on?
You are in this
What's
situation
happening?
and you see what is
Right
happening.
now.
Do you know that a
It's
lot of
5:45
people
p.m. and
that
it's
ask their brother that lives in abroad,
black
or their
dark
sister,
outside.
"See, my sister,
What?
she help me. How can he leave how can he leave me in the village to suffer? How can you leave your sister in the village to suffer?" Look at what we pass through in abroad. Look at it. That guy you see that hit that car, he hit almost 3 cars plus his own. That is 4. He's going to fix it for all of them. Insurance is going to take the money. If you call this person like this time and start to
News from Toronto this morning.
or do you want him to come and start narrating to you, "Oh, I
What's
hit
going
one car
on?
when I was going to work today."
What's happening? Right now.
What you have
It's
in your mind
5:45
is,
p.m.
"My
and it's
brother not seeing me, my brother doesn't-
black
doesn't
dark
know how to
outside.
drive,
What?
or your sister, doesn't she know how to drive?" That will be in your mind. Do you get the point? So sometimes even where we are working under code. Your fingers, you can't even feel your fingers. At the same time, somebody is testing you. Please help me with 100,000, 200,000, 50,000, while you are having pains and stress. Do you know what is happening these days?
News
Even
from
when they
Toronto
ask you
this
money,
morning.
they're in abroad, they ask you money, and you tell them that this time you cannot help.
What's
They will
going
say you don't want
on?
to give. You send to
What's
them little
happening?
you have. They say, "Oh,
Right
you
now.
small, you look at me."
It's
this money is
5:45
still to me."
p.m. and it's
Oh, okay. Or you come
black
around,
dark
you give them
outside.
drink, they say, "You
What?
are buying me drink, you want me to be drunk, you want me to become a drunkard." You give them little money, they say, "Look at me, you are giving me this small money." Do you understand? The worst now is that if they ask you, don't give them, they start to plan against you, either to kidnap you, or to rob you, or to buy you, or to do you anything that they feel like.
News from Toronto
There
this
is
morning.
this in mind that they didn't help me. It's supposed to help me. That entitlement.
What's going
It is not
on?
working. It is not working at all.
happening?
Because everybody
now.
is feeling it. It's affecting
5:45
everyone.
p.m. and
That's
it's
all I'm trying to say here. When you
black
look up
dark
and look,
outside.
tell me this
What?
situation, and you must go to work. If you are working in a hotel, in a hospital or even a hotel, are you going to tell your boss that I cannot come to work, snow is falling, or I couldn't come to work? Sometimes you are in the middle of the road, close to your workplace. No entrance, you cannot move anymore. This is what is happening in abroad.
News from Toronto this morning.
Not at work.
What's going on? What's happening? Right now. It's 5:45 p.m. and it's black dark outside. What?
Wetin your brother dey do for you know wetin your brother the same thing you dey do for village na im your brother dey do for abroad. The only difference na exchange, because the economy is bad. So if the economy is good and the exchange rate is normalized, you cannot be asking your brother the same amount of money you earn is what they earn. The only thing you can say is
News from Toronto this morning.
there is good road, there is electricity, and there is stability.
What's going
Things
on?
work normal like
What's
normal
happening?
human beings.
Right
Not
now.
about the money. People
It's
in Africa
5:45
is
p.m.
making
and
money.
it's
People in abroad are also making money.
black dark
But you have
outside.
to stop this
What?
entitlement that has engulfed, that has covered everybody's brain and eyes not to see the reality. That's why I'm here. Ka Chukwu mezie okwu. Lee na anya n'elu, lee na anya n'ala, ọ ihe na-eme kịta. Obodo adịrọ mma, udo adịrọ.